It's like a religion, an overwhelming decision to check out these anime manga reviews straight out the kitchen. Brought by Supreme Guru, sit back, relax and listen and join in on the discussion. I ain't Supreme Guru for nothing. I am anime, you know you can't click away or get away from the urge of talking manga and anime. So pay close attention when I say that Guru is in the here and now and here to stay.
What's up, people? It's Guru. Welcome to Channel Keep It Real, Raw and Uncut. Today's topic, you already know what it is. Let's go. Alright, man, this episode, Attack on Titan. I'm sorry, first let me start off with this. I'm sorry, I haven't been able to put these discussions out about Attack on Titan. Work has not let me permit me to do them on time, so I've been skipping them. I'll still be keeping up with the show. I've got all the volumes of the manga that's came out so far. I'm not reading it online, but I have kept up with the actual mangas volumes. So I'm keeping up with the show. I'm still interested in it. I still like it. It's well, one of my favorite. It is my favorite new series out right now by far. It's the only one I'm really keeping up with, and I really highly recommend it. So let's get on with this, man. Episode 20. What I thought. Another solid episode, man. That female Titan, man, she been giving them hell for like what, 3 or 4 episodes, man. This chick, everybody's still trying to find out the mystery, who she is. You know, a lot of people putting out spoilers and stuff like that. I'm not gonna go there because, like I said, I have been keeping up with the manga volume, so I'm not gonna make any predictions because they'd be like, hey, you read the manga, you know. So it is what it is. But you know, this female Titan is kicking everybody's ass, man. I mean, she has been destroying survey crew, corp, whatever you want to call it, man. Just kill them. But yeah, man, so that just shows like the potential of what they possibly can do, what Eren can possibly become in the future. Because that whole part about she made her hand armor so they couldn't get to her neck when they shot the stakes into her, and they held her down, and she still had enough you know, wits about her to like still keep her neck covered so they couldn't get to it. And the fact that she could armorize her hand, you know what I'm saying, that's crazy, man. Like, she had some hockey or something, man, you know what I'm saying? So that was cool, man. I really liked that scene. And, because it really threw my man, Eli for a loop, man. Eli was ready to go in, you know him, man. So, when she kind of shook him up with that one, I was like, oh, shit, what they gonna do now, you know? But it's all good, though, man. And then she did that little scream thing and called the Titans in to come eat her. That was crazy. That was like some kind of kamikaze escape, you know what I'm saying? That was crazy. That was crazy. It showed that this type was way advanced. It's way beyond what everything we've seen so far, man. And it has the conscious thought of this Titan. It just lets you know, like, it's thinking on a human level. On top of a smart human level, not just human level, but actually it's strategic. It knows what it's doing. So we're still trying to figure out who this chick is, man. And so we see her escape. You know, she got a hoodie on. You know, everybody's speculating. I'm not gonna put. Everybody know what it is. I'm not gonna put it out there as people. Hey, you spoil it, you just like everybody else. But everybody know who they think it is. You know what I'm saying? So it may be, maybe not. You never know. But so they trying to track her down. There's this hooded lady, and she slaughtered one of the survey crew. Still, man. I'm like, yo, this chick. I don't know, man. It's just. What's her reasoning behind this, man? Like, what's really going on, man? What's the conspiracy? You know, another mystery. That was a good little cliffhanger, because we still wouldn't know who this chick is. You know, everybody trying to figure out who the Titan was, and finally the Titan goes down. Now we're trying to figure out who the chick is behind the Titan, and now they're on the rush to find her. But man, yo, this was a great episode, man. I enjoyed it from beginning to end, man. There was no slow parts. The animation was pretty good. Throughout the whole thing, man, it was real crisp. I have no complaints, man. If I had to rate this right now, I have to give it a 5 out of 5. It was a great episode, man. Story progression. You know what I'm saying? We had a cliffhanger. We had action, and it wasn't meaningless action like this. Threw a whole bunch of action out there. I mean, when the fight and everything, it meant something with the story, the progression of the story. So that was great, man. So I have no complaints about it. No complaints at all, man. And once again, my man Levi went in, man. That dude a beast, man. And I love it. I forgot his little side chick, the crazy one looking like Potato Girl. That chick is crazy as hell, man. I love her character, man. The whole carefree. She kind of reminds me of she's like a female Luffy. You know what I'm saying? But you can tell she's smart, but she like Luffy but smart, but just don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? She got to do, you know what I'm saying? You know, Luffy just don't give a fuck and he's stupid. She actually smart and gives a fuck. I mean, don't give a fuck. So this chick is crazy, man. So I really like her character, man. I know we're gonna see some big things from her in the future. I just hope they don't kill her off like some bullshit. The same thing with Levi. Oh, Levi, if he goes down, I want to be an epic death, man. Either one of these characters, man. Cause right now they probably my 2 favorite characters right now. I really like their characters. But once again, great episode. 5 out of 5. Attack on Titan does it again. What are y'all thoughts? Comment, tell what y'all thought in the comment section. I'll holler at y'all later. Oh yes, like I said, sorry for not being able to get these discussions out, but I'm gonna get them out whenever I can. I'm not promising anything, but when I can, when I'm able to do them, I will do them. This is Guru. I'm holler at you later. Peace.